3 nice guy mistakes na ginagawa mo that affects your attractiveness. Sa video na to, I will teach you on ano yung mga 3 bagay na ginagawa mo that affects your attraction. So, I'm Joms, and I help men conquer the fear of rejection by mastering confidence. And here are 3 mistakes that nice guys make that lowers down their attraction. So, number 1 is over-pleasing. So, masyado silang people pleaser. So, madalas nila laging yung validation nila is nanggagaling sa ibang tao. So, every time, lagi silang yes ng yes. Lagi na lang nila ginagawa yung gusto ng ibang tao kahit ayaw nila. For the sake na ma-please nila yung tao na yon. Number 2 is lack of boundaries. So, mahilig sila mag-yes. Yes lang sila ng yes. Yes man lang sila ng yes man. Di sila marunong mag-no. Because kapag nag-no sila, is feeling nila is aayawan sila ng tao. So, mag-yes sila kahit na ayaw nila. This is to protect their nice guy identity. And because akala nila being nice, being too nice is magugustuhan sila ng pinupurso nila. And number 3 is for sure they're feeling taken for granted. So meron silang laging resentment na putik, ginagawa ko naman lahat pero wala siyang reciprocation. Wala siyang reciprocation ng time and energy niya, hindi siya nag-i-invest pabalik. So mangyayari nun, sisisihin lang niya yung mga tao yung dinidate niya or yung nililigawan niya. So, ano ba yung negative impact nito if patuloy ka sa sa people please, patuloy kang wala kang boundaries, and also palagi kang may resentment. Number 1 is you attract the wrong partners. Again, kasi pagiging nice guys is something that you hide. So, para siyang mask na sinusuot mo because, ito ako, sobrang bait ko, kailangan magustuhan mo ko. Ganyan. So, you will attract the wrong partners kung please ka ng people please, most probably matitaken for granted ka. So, maaabuso ka. Number 2 is you may feel unappreciated and resentful. Yun nga, because nga dahil ginagawa mo lahat para sa tao na yun, then, nang walang reciprocation ng investment, at the end of the day, mangyayari niyan is magsasawa ka and sasabihin mo, puta, ginawa ko naman lahat pero wala pa rin. And number 3 is your dating life may become frustrating and unfulfilling. So, yung pattern na yun, pag ulit-ulit mong ginagawa, naging mabait ka ng mabait, pero tingnan mo ngayon, wala ka pa rin jowa. So, bakit ba importante to na you are trying to move beyond your nice guy traits, or kailangan matanggal mo tong nice guy traits na to? So, you will learn, mahalaga tong mapunta sa awareness mo because with awareness, you will learn from your mistakes. Because again, kung paulit-ulit ka na nababasted, meaning nun is meron kang maling ginagawa. So, kapag alam mo na yung mali mong mga ginagawa, na-bring na natin yan sa awareness mo, then, you can learn from this one. So, ang benefits nito is, you will attract partners who respects you. Because, yun nga, dahil meron kang boundaries, meron kang times nag-yes, may times ka nag-no kapag ayaw mo talaga, then, people will respect you more. Kasi may value yung yes mo eh. Hindi mo siya binabibigay ng libre. Number 2, you will build healthier relationship. So, wala dito yung manipulation, wala dito yung magiging toxic, wala dito yung matitaken for granted ka. In which yun yung ideal relationship. Number 3 is you will feel more empowered with your interaction kahit sino, friends, business partners, girlfriend, boyfriend, or yung ka-date mo. So, with this one, I want you to identify one nice guy trait na ginagawa mo. Ayun, yung binigyan kita ng 3 doon. And I want you to change that this week. So, kung wala kang boundaries, mag-set ka ng boundaries mo. Kung palagi kang humihingi ng validation sa ibang tao, this time, ibigay mo naman sa sarili mo. So, yung ganun. So, I hope you enjoy this video. Marami pa akong video dyan. Check nyo na lang. Let's go.